Imagine your tween is at school when her period starts for the first time. She doesn't have anything with her, no products, no plan, and she's left feeling overwhelmed. It's a moment no mom wants her child to experience. So how do we ensure she's always prepared? Hi, I'm Maddie with RedDrop, and today we're talking about how to make the ultimate period prep kit. With 2 out of 3 girls starting their period in school, it's important to have a well-packed kit that gives them confidence no matter where they are. In this video, I'll walk you through what to put in your tween's period prep kit, why it matters, and how to make it fun and empowering. So first, what is a period prep kit? It's a little bag full of period supplies that your tween can put in her backpack, in her sleepover bag, or even leave at home, so if Mother Nature calls, she'll always be prepared. It really doesn't take much time to make or buy a kit, and it'll help reduce a lot of stress within your tween. And of course, she'll be ready for the unexpected. Whether she's at school, during sports, or at a friend's house, no matter what happens, she's always prepared. Okay, let's get into it and talk about what to put in your tween's period prep kit. So here's everything you'll want to include. First, you'll need a bag. This is one of RedDrop's cute and stylish to-go bags. You want something compact but roomy enough to fit all the essentials. Canvas pouches and makeup pouches work really well for this. Then I'd say the most essential item are pads. Depending on her size and flow, I'd recommend a few different sizes. And RedDrop actually makes the largest variety of pad sizes on the market. First, I'm putting in a couple of the everyday protection pads. These are the smallest pads that RedDrop offers. They're 6.3 inches in length. They almost act like a panty liner, except they have wings to help hold it in place, and you can barely feel that they're there. Then we have a couple flow day protection pads. These are 7 inches in length and made specifically for tween bodies. They hold 1/4 cup of liquid and still can't be seen under leggings. Then we have the Flow Night Protection Pads. These are great to wear at night. They're also great to wear for any heavy days. They're 9.6 inches and hold 3/4 cup of liquid. And lastly, we have the Maximum Protection Pads, and these pads can withstand just about anything. They hold a whopping 1 cup of liquid, and they have double wings, so they're the most leak-proof pads you probably will ever find. At the end of the day, just make sure she has pads that will help her for light, heavy, or medium flow days. Next, we have period underwear. They're a reliable backup just for a little extra protection, especially for those days where she doesn't know if her period's gonna come or not, or if her period does come unexpectedly and she bleeds a little bit onto her normal panties, she can wear these and swap them out instead. Then we have a few pairs of wipes. These are the full body wipes, and these are feminine hygiene wipes. They're ideal for freshening up. These are especially during active moments, and this is for when she's started her period and wants to clean things up down there. They're both extremely helpful and will make her feel a little bit fresher. Then we have this bathroom pass, and this is pretty unique to RedDrop. It's a little card that lets her teacher know that she's on her period discreetly. So when she goes and asks to use the restroom at school, if there's any issues, she can hand this card over. The teacher will let her use the restroom, no questions asked. It's a great little hack to have for peace of mind for your tween. And lastly, depending on what your tween is comfortable using, you can of course include tampons or menstrual cups into the kit as well. Now, all the products I use were from RedDrop's website. I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you don't want to go to CVS and find all of these individual products yourself, RedDrop has a kit that includes all of these things in one. It'll save you time and money. Either way, we recommend putting your period prep kit together with your tween to make it a fun experience for her. And here are some tips to do that. If you want to learn more about this, the next section is actually just for RedDrop exclusive subscribers. All that means is you pay $13.49 a month, you get RedDrop products shipped directly to your house, and you get free exclusive content from me. And I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested. And don't forget to explore our customizable subscription plan so she's always stocked up and ready. Packing a period prep kit is a simple yet powerful way to help your tween feel prepared and confident as she navigates this new stage of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to help your tween navigate her period journey. And if you want more educational resources, we have an entire period prep 101 course for moms, dads, and caregivers to help their tween navigate this journey. I'll link that in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.